Machine availability plays a key role in tightly timed production and logistics processes. Unplanned maintenance and downtime not only drive up maintenance costs, they also jeopardize deliverability. Smart maintenance concepts become the crucial success factor.
The
trend is moving away from repair-oriented towards preventive maintenance, and from preventive, and this is the greatest potential, towards condition-oriented maintenance. And subsequently, if I can assess wear mechanisms in a condition-oriented way, it is moving towards predictive maintenance. To detect manufacturing defects before they even occur, machines are equipped with sensors that measure pressure, vibration, and temperature, for example. A software can use the acquired data to recognize connections and create predictive models. Real-time condition monitoring of the machines is one of the core requirements of a smart factory of the future.
Das Thema Sensorik ist sehr wichtig.
The topic of sensor technology is very important because exact predictions can be made. When is maintenance necessary? How much will it cost? Which materials do I have to stock up in order to minimize machine downtime?
Die Stillstandszeiten der Maschine so gering als möglich zu halten.
The networking of sensors, facilities and products, as well as the digitalization of information and the controlling with intelligent IT systems, places high demands on the providers of smart maintenance solutions. The biggest challenge concerning our sensors is to make them wireless, that is, radio sensors. We do have one on the market right now. The difficulty is to integrate such sensors into existing corporate networks, as security gaps could occur. According to a survey of the consulting firm Bearing Point from 2018, more than half of the surveyed companies consider IT security a major hurdle when implementing predictive maintenance concepts. Nevertheless, for most companies, the opportunities, especially in terms of system availability, outweigh maintenance and service costs. We see predictive maintenance as a topic of the future in order to make statements about machines using data. We support machine manufacturers by connecting experts from the machine manufacturer with machine operators on site in order to jointly work on the diagnosis of the machine. Among other things, Oculavis offers a remote solution that uses augmented reality to assist users with problem solving and to simplify communication between experts and on-site staff. For this, the company has recently been awarded the EIT Digital Challenge 2019 in the category Digital Industry, worth €100,000. The tangible benefits are saving travel costs, minimizing machine downtime as well as machine error rates, and establishing new business models in service. All these developments towards smart maintenance will gradually increase the importance of maintenance in all companies, in all sectors. And that is very, very important and, in the end, fundamental regarding productivity in terms of effective asset utilization throughout the whole life cycle. The special exhibition Smart Maintenance at Productronica demonstrates the growing importance of smart maintenance and offers visitors the opportunity to take a closer look at the future.